If you've stumbled across KawaiiRoom.com and found yourself tempted by its ultra-cute Labubu figures, viral plush toys, and dreamy collectible aesthetics, you're not alone. But before you get swept up in the kawaii craze, it's worth pausing for a closer look. In this video, we dig into the details behind this seemingly perfect online store that's making waves with its irresistible visuals, but raising some serious red flags behind the scenes. The domain was only registered in 2025, which is a common trait of scam sites that pop up quickly and disappear just as fast. There's no About Us page or company background, making it impossible to know who's actually behind the store. The reviews feel overly polished and lack authenticity, and our reverse image search revealed that many of the photos have been used elsewhere, suggesting they're not from real buyers. Even more suspicious is that the checkout button either doesn't work properly or glitches out entirely, leaving buyers confused and frustrated. Add to that a complete lack of social media presence despite claims of popularity, and you're left wondering whether this site is selling products or just dreams. While the site looks cute on the surface, the lack of transparency, trust signals, and basic functionality raises more questions than answers.